Good morning, this is your daily outlook for Thursday, October the 13th. The euro produced gains against most of its major counterparts, overlooking news expecting a higher cut in Greek debt than the one agreed on the 21st of July. Investors' optimism was fueled by positive comments regarding Greece's future from Troika and Jean-Claude Trichet. The long-awaited Eurozone Rescue Fund approval is expected to be finalised by Slovakia, possibly on Friday after their rejection of the plan 2 days ago. Versus the US dollar, the euro ascended to 138.33 from 135.82. Against the Swiss franc, the single currency dropped to 123.20 from 124.18. Against the Japanese yen, the euro jumped to 107.04 from 104.18. EU Commission President Barroso presented a 5-point plan to resolve the Eurozone crisis and joined the crowd calling for immediate actions. The US dollar recorded mixed results against a basket of currencies as the revealed FOMC minutes provided no noteworthy information. Against the Swiss franc, the US dollar plunged to 0.8917 from 0.9111. Against the Japanese yen, the greenback climbed to 77.48 from 76.31 as investors speculated on a possible Japanese intervention to weaken the yen. The Australian dollar produced a decisive break above 1 and surged to 102.05 from 0.9864 against the US dollar, a strong signal of rising risk appetite. The British pound advanced to 157.97 from 155.42 against the US dollar. This came after jobless claims for September came in better than expected, although the unemployment rate marginally rose. Looking at commodities, we saw oil prices drop to $84.52 a barrel from $86.55. Gold rose to $1,692.30 an ounce from $1,662.10. And silver moved in the same direction to $33.02 an ounce from $31.84. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 136.90 with a preference to enter into long positions at 136.90. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 76.95 with a preference to enter into long positions at 76.95. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 101 with a preference to enter into long positions at 101. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 156.90 with a preference to enter into long positions at 156.90, and the dollar CAD pivot point is at 102.35 with a preference to enter into short positions at 102.35. And looking at commodities, the oil pivot point is at 84 with a preference to enter into long positions at 84. The gold pivot point is at 1655 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1655, and the silver pivot point is at 32.20 with a preference to enter into long positions at 32.20. And of course, for up-to-date information, please visit our website. At today's calendar, the market movers are the UK trade balance for August forecast to come out at minus 8.8 billion, Canadian trade balance for August forecast to come out at minus 1 billion, US initial unemployment claims for the past week forecast to rise to 405,000, and US federal budget balance for September forecast to come out at minus 65 billion. Now on to equity markets. European bourses were positive with the FTSE trading up 0.85%, the DAX was up 2.21% and the CAC was up 2.42%. Now looking at US equities, they were positive as well with the S&P 500 up 0.98% and the Dow was up 0.90%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 0.93% and the Hang Seng was up 1.91%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andre from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.